What's up guys, Robeytech here, and today we're gonna take you on a journey. I have a PC that needs to be made that I can use at LANs that are gonna blow people's minds, and I don't wanna do it alone. I really want to play games at a LAN, but I don't have a rig. I mean, I have rigs, but I don't have a rig that is showcasey enough. I need to fix that problem. And that's where this story begins. First, there was Liquid House. I got to work with him for the first time at Intel Creator Challenge. He makes just crazy rigs. The second was Ron Christensen from Blue House. So not only will it look cool in its just base form, it also needed to look cool when it was done. I had my two collaborators, but what does the build gotta be like? Well, first and foremost, I've been playing a lot of Teamfight Tactics. It's a game that you can run on pretty much anything. For those of you who don't know, it's an auto chess game. You can actually still now watch me stream it on my Twitch channel and then soon to be on my YouTube gaming channel. I was like, okay, Teamfight Tactics, that's gonna be my theme. Needed to be small, needs to look great, needs to be able to travel, and I need to do it with awesome people because I may not have the skills. So that's my premise. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's take you on the journey. So next stop, Salt Lake Liquid House. Let's see what we come up with.
My name is John Tetzloff and I run Liquid House with my partner Ellie. I started building my own computers in 2005. And so it's been a long journey. Each progressive year as I keep doing this, I'm always learning. We try our best to maintain a high quality rig each and every time, and I feel like we do a pretty good job.
How did you meet Justin?
I actually met Justin at the Intel Creator Challenge. He was the host for the event. We just instantly went into nerd talk mode, and it was a lot of fun. Robey hit me up. He wanted to do a collab LAN rig, so something portable and small, yet sleek and good looking, as well as good performing, obviously. And he actually had some inspiration from a build that my buddy Stuart at GGF Events had done in the Shift XT. Stuart at GGF kind of trailblazed this specific application of parts with the chassis. I think there's some good choices made on the component selection. The components that we chose wouldn't be that far off from your average selection, right? Traditionally, small form factor is pretty tricky, and that's only because you've got such tight clearances between things. Luckily, with the parts that EK had supplied us, you know, a lot of 90s were used, and so the bending wasn't that extreme, and it kept it clean and simple, which is exactly what I was hoping for. EK came in with their brand new radiator. We were able to get phanteks in for the case and the T30 fans. Our friends at PNY were able to hook us up with the GPU, which is RTX 3090. We've got some DDR5 from them, and then we also have a blazing fast NVMe drive as well from them. One other aspect with the component selection was that Ron over at Blue House Studios is doing all the artwork side of things. I'm just doing the system integration. You know, I hit him up and I asked him, I was like, hey, you know, what would you prefer to paint on? Nickel, acrylic, acetal, and he decided nickel, which I was kind of hoping for because the nickel is definitely gonna have that pop with the artwork. So I think once Ron is finished up with the artwork, it's gonna be something very unique and special.
What the heck is this?
Yeah.
That's your prompt.
This is my solution to renting a townhouse and not having a proper backyard and a proper workhorse and a proper work area is I've had to use C-clamps and a Dremel on a balcony post. One thing that I'm starting to see is a lot of people are starting to a little bit flex their setups. When you see these really nice setups, these really nice work areas and offices and buildings that they're renting out just for this type of stuff, is the little guy that's still doing this at home or still maybe doing this in their apartment. You don't really have any of the room to do any of this stuff. So it's like what you do. And in my situation where we're just renting a townhouse, we don't even have a garage, you know? So it's like, I got to make do with, you know, what we got. So
Social media is social media, right? Like we're always going to show what we're the most proud of. None of us have the perfect thing, right? We had to get this on video because this is so good. this couldn't be a typical TechTube video without that slow montage fill. Prepare yourself, maybe go grab some paper towels.
Yeah, and also hold your breath the entire time.
Yeah, hold your breath the entire time.
Roll it.
So there it is, guys. We have the completed build. Next step is what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this and it's gonna go over to Ron.
I can't wait to see what Ron does.
It's
gonna be so cool.
It's gonna be so awesome, and that's gonna add just that next layer. It's funny, when you talk about these special projects,
19-hour build.
it's a good 19-hour build. We have a 12600K with a 3090 reference edition from PNY. And by the way, huge shout out to PNY, EK Water Blocks, Intel,
Much appreciated.
Shift, phanteks, and all the people who sponsored this build. And it's funny, I was talking to my team and they're like, 12600K with a 3090. We have a single 240 millimeter slim radiator that's cooling the whole thing, and it's cooled by those amazing T30 fans. So we've already done Cinebench R20, under load with everything maxed.
It's done great.
It's 86, which is
that's fine.
We're pushing, right? We're pushing, and that's what we wanted to do. So 86. CPU, GPU wise, I could potentially even overclock and still have a lot of power here. But we had our moments. We thought we had 3 failed PSUs. We forgot to put the, we're both tired. We're both tired. We're both tired.
I pulled a bitwit and forgot a plug.
We severed a monitor cable, right?
Yes.
We're learning. There was a lot of learning.
The Red Bull can bend.
Literally
just sitting there drinking Red Bull, eyeing how I'm gonna do the bend, looking at the size of the can, looking at the radius distance and what I need for that bend. I'm like, you know what? This is gonna be funny, watch this. That was really funny.
Yeah,
I enjoyed that.
That's what is needed.
Yeah, it actually came out really well. It was a really fun, organic experience having you guys here.
It has been so awesome hanging out with you and doing
great,
this.
man.
If people want to find you, people want to know more about Liquid House. They want to join your OnlyFans and see.
We've got a new website, the LA Design, www.liquidhouse.com. We are starting up a Discord server pretty shortly here, but we have the link on our website. So if you want to go there and jump on our Discord, we have our own subreddit, our Liquid House. You can find us on Twitter, Twitch, Facebook, Instagram, all under Liquid House. Feel free to hit us up.
There we go. And well, guys, if there is a part 2 and it's already live right here, you can actually check that out right here. So go ahead and click up there and you can jump right over to click part 2 where we're gonna be hanging out with Ron and watching this get painted. So let us know down in the comments below, what did you like? What did you not like? Love to know all of that stuff while you're down there. And you can always follow me at Robeytech absolutely everywhere. Anyway, guys, I gotta go jump on a plane. First, we gotta go eat some Tucanos.
Yes.
Right, and get that done.
Jones
and we're gonna have a really, really good time. Thank you so much for hanging out, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one.